Okay, so this is a very big question. The diagram shows a prism. The cross section of the prism is a trapezium with CD parallel to AB and AC parallel to BD. Okay, AB is equal to 10 centimeters, CD is equal to 4 centimeters, and the height of the trapezium is 5 centimeters. The volume of the prism is 525 centimeter cube, and the prism is made from iron. 1 centimeter cube of iron has a mass 7.8 grams. Calculate the mass of the prism. Give your answer in kilograms. Okay. So it is given that volume is equal to 525 centimeter cube and density is equal to 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. And so mass would be equal to volume into density. So this would be equal to 5.525 into 7.8 in grams. But then I want it in kg. So this would be equal to 525 into 7.8 divided by 1000 in kg. And this value would be equal to 4.095 in kg. Okay. So this is the actual mass of the prism. Easy question because we have both the volume and the density. We could easily calculate the mass. Okay, now let us get to the second case. So we calculate the length of the prism. So first of all, what do we know about volume? Volume is equal to area of cross section into length, right? So this is equal to A into L. Now, what do we know? So the cross section, actually, as you can see in the picture, the cross section is a trapezium. So for the cross section, it is a trapezium with the height 5 centimeters. This one is 4 centimeters and this one is 10 centimeters. So A would be equal to half into h into A plus B, which is half into 5 into 10 plus 4 in centimeter square, and this is 7 into 5, 35 centimeter square. So given that the volume V is equal to 525 centimeter cube, therefore L would be equal to V by A, which is 525 divided by 35 in centimeter square. So centimeter cube by centimeter square, only 1 centimeter will remain, which is nothing but 15 centimeter. So the length of the entire prism, so this length is given to be 15 centimeters. Okay, so let us get to the next part. Calculate the total surface area of the prism. So total surface area of the prism is, what do you see? Okay, so there is two sides which are trapeziums, and this is one side and that is the other side. These two are the same sides, and there is one at the top and one at the bottom. Okay, so the total surface area would be equal to 2 into 1 by 2 h into A plus B plus, I have covered this side and this side, the front and the back. So these two are front and the back. And then we will cover 2 into the sides, right? This one and this one. And so it will be BD into 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters plus this is sides, and then there is the top one, and the top, it has a length of 4 into 15 plus and it is, after that, it is 10 into 15. So this is the top one, this is the bottom one. This finishes the values. So now I need to calculate BD. So what can I do? Again, I'll draw the trapezium. So this is 4 and this is 10. So what do I know? This length would be 3 and this length would be 3, and this length is given to be, this length is given to be 5. So in this phase, A, B, C, D, we can now calculate the value of BD. A, B, C, D. So BD square would be equal to, or BD would be equal to 5 square plus 3 square, which is square root of 34 and centimeters. This is given by Pythagoras theorem, right? So the front and the back areas we already calculated. So 2 into 35 plus 2 into square root of 34 into 15 plus 60 plus 150. So this is 70. 70 plus 60 is 130. 130 plus 150 is 280 plus 30 root 34 in centimeter square. And if I calculate the entire value, this entire value would come out to be 454.92855 in centimeter square, and 30 root 34, this value is 174.92855. okay, and so the total value would be 454.92855 centimeter square. So if I cut it to two decimal places, round it off, this is equal to 454.93 centimeter square. So that is the required answer. So in this case, we need to check all the 6 sides, and there are 2 sides which are common, 2 sides which are the same, and there are 2 sides which are different. The top and the bottom are completely different, right? So there are 4 more calculations that we need to do. And the first one, front and the back, that cross section area, we already did it before when we are calculating the volume. Okay, so the answer is 454.93 centimeters square. Now, fourth question, in a mathematically similar prism, the height of the trapezium is 10 centimeters. Calculate the volume of the prism. So V1 by V2 is equal to H1 by H2 whole cube. So here V2 is equal to 525 centimeter cube, H1 is equal to 10 centimeters, and H2 is equal to 5 centimeters. So I am taking the second one as the original cube and the first one as the new one. So V1 would be equal to V2 into H1 by H2 whole cube, which is equal to 525 into 10 by 5 whole cube, which is nothing but 525 into 8, 2 cube, which is 8. And so 525 into 8 is 4200. And so this value is 4200 centimeter cube. And this completes this question. Now let us go to the last part. A cuboid measures 10 centimeters by 4 centimeters by 6 centimeters. Each side is measured correct to the nearest centimeter. Complete the inequality for the volume. So length can be from 10 centimeters plus or minus. This is the nearest centimeter, that means 1 centimeter. So you will have half the centimeter. So 9.5 centimeters to 10.5 centimeters. And similarly for the width, this is 4 centimeters plus or minus half centimeter. So it can range from 3.5 centimeters to 4.5 centimeters. And the height is 6 centimeter, again plus or minus half centimeter. So 6.5 centimeter to, or 5.5 centimeter to 6.5 centimeters. So the lowest possible volume would be all the smallest values. So 9.5 into 3.5 into 5.5 centimeter square or centimeter cube, because this is the volume, and that value is 182.875 centimeter cube. So this is 182.875. The highest possible volume would be 10.5 into 4.5 into 6.5 centimeter cube. And if you calculate the value, this would be 307.125 in centimeter cube. So this value is 307.125 centimeter cube. So the values change from 182 to 307. It can be any value in between. Okay, this completes this question. It's an easy question, but then in order to calculate the total surface area, you should be very careful. Okay, let us meet in another